Oh, that's good. Don't want it to go downhill. Stuck here. There we go. Okay. All right. I moved out a little bit. Well, sometimes I just got to get away from the lathes and the mills and the jig boards and work on the drill press. Yeah, I got this moved out and I can get around it, and I'm going to try a little bit better on the paint here. I think I can do it. Okay. And it's early morning here, and I hope you're all doing good. I just kind of doing a little bit of a mix this morning. I've got some directions I'm going in. The Axelson lathe is absolutely completely done. I can walk up to this machine and make any part I want on it now. I know where all the faults are, and they're not bad. You know, you might have seen in some of the past videos, I've checked wear on the lead screw. I've done some test cuts, find where there might be a wobble in the ways, and I can turn things really nice on this machine. And some things I can't show you on this venue. Like, I'm working on some antique rifles, and I was doing some barrel work, and the machine's just absolutely outstanding for that. And that's something I'm an amateur at. I like to work on rifles, but not modern rifles. Old black powder cartridge rifles is what I'm interested in, not the black rifles. You know, I like wood and steel, not plastic and steel. Just old time made. That's how it is. So this is working really, really good. I got a little thing I'm doing over here. Oh, get over here and look at that. This I need a way to drill small holes with this vertical head. I don't know if you can see that. I'm dinking around. I've got this ER40 collet chuck, and I'm adapting a short Axelson collet chuck. Let me show you what that looks like. I'll get the indicator out of there. It's got a sleeve, and you put the collet in the sleeve. I think that's how it goes, see? And you get it all in there. I think this is called an extended nose Axelson collet chuck. You can see I can put this 1/8 inch end mill in there. Very, very nice. That's a nice setup. And I'll play around with it. I'll get the thing to run dead true. Yeah, little things like that should run very, very true, or you'll break them. This head's a high-speed head, and it's got almost 1600 RPM, which is really usable, you know, for, you know, small stuff. But one one of the odd things about the machine is it's got very low speeds and it's got very, very high speeds, and not so much in the middle. So I'm kind of going through a little bit of a learning curve with that. But this machine just really up and running good. And I'm going to focus some attention on this machine here. And this is one of the most unusual machines on Earth. And of its type, precision tool room lathe, there's simply not a better one ever made. Everything else is compared to this. So rivet, Shoblin especially, can't even compete with this thing. Not even close. Rivets were good old machines, but they don't make them for a reason. Then they only made 500 of them. I don't want to down talk those, but they're kind of a little bit different. But for a flat out tool maker, you can't beat the Monarch 10EE. And the reason is the electronic drive. And I'm going to get into that real quick here. I'm going to get this machine a tune-up. And this machine is for sale. And I can talk about it while I'm tuning it up and show some of the great features. I got to clean it up. This machine here got chips in it and stuff like that because it rescued the Axelson over there. Oh, there's that cup of coffee. Yeah, the old machines can fix each other. And I've used this jig bore and the Monarch 10EE to fix many machines. And I've done some very difficult repairs with those two machines. So okay, I'm gonna kind of get things kind of straightened up here, and we'll start working on that Monarch here today. Okay, hope you're all having a good morning. Oh yeah, I got this drill set out a foot here. I can get around it. And this thing is going to get completed. Isn't that something? Move the thing with a couple of fingers. Yeah. Radial drills are big projects. Even small radial drills. It's hard to believe this thing was just solid rust. And there's absolutely no damage to it. You know, the rust is coming off, but, you know, not using abrasives. This column here is still within the factory specified half thousandths variation. It actually seems better than a half thousandth. How do they do that? I don't know. Yeah, the base here, I got that slushed with grease and beeswax mix. So it's protected. Gonna have some clear weather here for a few days, so I'm gonna work on the paint a little bit. See if I kind of could use a little more practice on paint, I'm sure. Okay, I'm going to head in and load this video, then come back out here and really get busy. All right.